How to sign in to your Netflix account on Smart TV. Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily sign into your Netflix account on your Smart TV. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your TV and open the Netflix application, and you will see this sign in option. Just click on the sign in option. And here you will see two methods to sign in. The first one is to use your phone, where you just have to scan this QR code, and the second one is to use the remote. I'm going to show you both on how you can do that. So on the first option, you open up your phone scanner and make sure that the Netflix account that you're about to log in is also logged into your phone. Scan your QR code with your phone like this, and then it will open up your Netflix, give you this code on your phone, and you just have to enter this code. Once you do that, you just have to tap on next, and you should be signed into your Netflix account. And the second option is to use the remote, so just click on use remote. And once you select this option, you will have to first enter your email address like this, and then you will just have to enter your password from here. And if you tap on next, your Netflix account will be signed in on your TV. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.